Hey Inspire Tribe, how's it going? It's Jean Nolan here from the Inspire channel with an update from Ottawa. I'm not on the ground in Ottawa, but I spoke with Sandra Bowder and Stu Donaldson today, who are part of the Canada Unity team and who are organizers on the ground who are helping with everything. And first off, let me tell you, they're in high spirits. They're seeing amazing momentum growing with the freedom movement in Canada. There's amazing things going on all around, but I want to give you some details that are important, what you can do, how you can support, and all of that. So let me start with that. So since GoFundMe was shut down, we've been waiting to confirm what the new ways are to support the truckers in Ottawa. Now, there are two locations on the ground that you can go to and bring food or bring fuel or bring money, whatever you want to bring. The first location is 300 Coventry Road. We'll put that in the description of the video. The second location is 1500 Bronson Avenue. Bronson Avenue, that's both in Ottawa. That's where they're collecting stuff, food, blankets, money, fuel, whatever you can bring. If you're on the ground, go there, meet up with the people, see what you can do to help. If you are not on the ground in Ottawa, from anywhere in the world, the new and we believe now safe and secure way to donate is on the website Give, Send, Go, and they have already gathered over $5 million. Now they want to get up back to the amount they had on GoFundMe. So this is a free and we believe censor-free platform where you can securely donate. Give, Send, Go, and you'll find the Freedom Convoy fundraiser pretty much on top of that website. So that's that. Stu shared some things with me that are disturbing but are actually having the opposite effect. One of the things that he said is that you might have heard about that starting yesterday, police came in to confiscate fuel and food, and that they're basically now trying to starve and freeze the truckers. And you know, it's not just truckers, it's other people on the ground as well, women, children. But with that happening, Stu also said that it immediately backfired because more and more people are showing up in Ottawa, and the momentum is getting bigger and the support is getting bigger. He actually, to tell you in his words, he actually said that he did not believe that something like this could happen in his lifetime, where there's so much support from all over the world, of course in Canada, but from all over the world, non-officially. So, basically under the table, they have gotten support from politicians in high places that he's been surprised about. They're not speaking out publicly yet, but they have told them in private that they're supporting what they're doing. Internationally speaking, we've seen people like Governor Ron DeSantis in Florida, who's in support of the movement, who plans on investigating and potentially suing GoFundMe for what they did. So this is really important. But what Stu has also said is that even though the police has started with some form of violence against the movement and the truckers, they are remaining peaceful, kind, and that's their spirit. The spirit of the whole movement is peaceful, kind, with an unshakable resolve. Though they're not leaving, and Stu confirmed this to me. He said, "We will not leave until the mandates are lifted, until the freedoms are restored." So unofficially, again, he said he heard whispers that the federal government might appoint someone to be a liaison, to be a mediator, to speak on behalf of the government to the truckers and to the movement. But this has not been confirmed yet. What he knows is that the federal government, the municipal government, the city council, and the mayor and the police chief are all trying to basically give them a bad name, and of course fight them in every possible way they can. However, he also said that within the police force, the support is absolutely amazing. He would say that it's a very, very high number of active duty police people that are in support of them. He is sensing the same for the military. That's the information he's got. That's all not confirmed numbers, but that's just what he senses. He says that just the sheer number of people in law enforcement that are in support of them is absolutely encouraging and inspiring and beautiful. As a matter of fact, the whole conversation was very inspiring and beautiful, and I could just feel that this is, as I said, ground zero for freedom right now is Canada. The emphasis is on a peaceful, loving, kind, non-compliant movement. That's what it is, peaceful non-compliance. And they came with a goal. They are for freedom, and they're going to stay until this is resolved and until all mandates and restrictions are lifted in Canada. This is already, as you know, spread all over the world. This is happening in many countries now. Truckers in Australia, truckers in Finland, truckers in other parts of Europe. This is only going to gain more momentum. And I want to make one thing, one thing is very important. The spirit is the first thing. Where do you come from? Come from a spirit of love. Be for freedom, not against anything. For freedom, that's important. The second thing that's very important is to understand that there are gonna be agent provocateurs. There's gonna be groups that are gonna try to attach themselves to the movement that are actually trying to do the opposite. There's gonna be people that are gonna come out and say this is fake, this is controlled opposition, all of that. Listen, feel with your heart and feel the spirit of the people. Feel the spirit of this movement. You can always corrupt a few people, but you cannot corrupt the true spirit of freedom in this movement. So no matter who jumps in, no matter who tries to attach themselves to the group, the core group is peaceful, kind, unified. They speak with one voice. They're very, very strong in what they do, and they are absolutely not leaving until this is resolved. So Inspired Tribe, we will continue to report on this as an important update. We'll leave all the important websites and information in the video description. Please check it out. Please donate. Please support. Please meditate. Please pray. Please put yourself in the spirit of this beautiful movement, spirit of freedom, so we can all from everywhere support. Ground zero for freedom. Ottawa, Canada. That's ground zero for freedom right now. We're in full support of you. Thank you all for tuning in. We love you all, and we'll be coming back with new updates very soon.